This video is funny, but very interesting to watch. Watch and see what these people will do. They will turn this plastic chair to another different chair. Hey, you can't wait to watch this video to the end. Please, before you go for share this video. I like when people create something new. I like when I see people with a lot of creativity. I don't just know, but I really like these people's content. I don't know whether na content they do, but I would like try this particular one, I swear. Because waiting these people they do, if they do something like this, go put them for market, if you carry and come out, so you know gonna say that the same plastic chair where you get for house, now in they turn out to another different chair. You see how? You see how? Hey, God, these guys, when I not go finish also, who they teach una all these things? How una take they know all these kind of things? If they do me somehow, say person go just sit down like this, go think of something, say, if I put this one together like this, do this and this, I go get this one. You know easy, sha, because I know say when I really put a lot of effort and energy to do this one, but the work come out. I don't go lie, the work come out well. If person do good, if good more tell person say the person do good. But I don't know. Hey, made alone don't come too much for the plastic chair, sha, but you see how when I see, hey, and all this thing na newspaper, shey una dey see. Way. Where una dey go get this kind of ideas? Who they teach una all these things? You dey see? Hey. Oh yeah, just a watch. You see? No be small thing, no. I beg share this video. May another person watch and see. May another person watch and learn, because this particular thing I must try am. And if I dey do am myself, I go do the video. Make people know say get some kind of videos where if you watch and learn some things. If you just do this chair and keep am for your house, and trust me, nobody go enter your house and know say na plastic chair you put inside. People go just dey wonder, this person don't spend money. This person don't buy better chair. They go they ask you how much you buy am. If you even tell people say I buy 150k, 200k, they go say you want it because the chair look beautiful now, beautiful and colorful. So you know get where you go tell person say you buy am for big amount of money. Wallahi, person no fit argue am because the chair really makes sense. But I don't know how long this plastic chair will last. So with a lot of what when I don't put on this plastic chair. So in the comment section, if you want something like this, if you can contact them. They can actually come and do it for you. Just buy your plastic chair and keep. They will come with the rest of the thing. You know the rest now, and it's really looking good. Like just do like 3 or 4, keep inside your house. It really save you from buying all these expensive chairs, all these, what is it called? Well, like with small money, they can just do something for you like this, and nobody go know, because even me, when I first see them, I don't know see na plastic chair these people use. So now why I always say people say waiting go differentiate your work from others people. Now the creativity where you put in. If you just put small creativity in your work, you go make your work look different from other people's work. And you go to see people they rush you. You go to see people they rush your work. Before you know, they go say, This one they use juju. Now see what these people do. Shikenan. Thank you. Almost see